okay. I got it. Okay. Yeah, hang out with me. All right, we're gonna get my girl Emily adjusted. And she comes what, twice a month? It's good for. Ooh, ooh. Kind of clogged. Okay. Oh, actually, last semester. Oh, one more. There it is. Ooh. Other side. We'll switch this way. Oh, heck yeah. That was a lot. Yeah, it was. Go back face it. When? I rolled it. Oh, I'm trying, by the way. Just let all this go. Oh. Christmas, like 2 weeks before Christmas. Deep breath. Blow that all out. Oh. Yes. Nice and easy. Oh. Mm-hmm. Hold on. There. Mm-hmm. There it is. Bro. There it is. Oh. Yes. That moved a lot. That was good. So we're adjusting the ears. Woo, woo, woo. Just doing some shoulder. Go pinky thumb. As you try and bring that. Okay. Nice and relaxed here. Oh. It'll be quiet. It'll be quiet. There we go. Nice. Bring it down. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Score, baby. Sorry, I had my butt all in the camera.